Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another Quick Win Wednesday. Alright, so today we're going to talk about keeping the data in your database structured. So actually, I mean the table structure itself, meaning the schema of your table. And also we're going to have a quick look how to give your migrations a dry run so you can see which queries will be executed. So let's dive into it. Alright, so we all have had this problem before, right? When you have a migration that you want to run, but you really want the first name of a user to be right after the name of the user. But your migration has already run, so the only thing you can do is make a migration of your own. So PHP artisan make migration, add let's call it extra fields to users. There we go. This creates an empty migration for us. So if we're going to actually add this, for example, a string which indicates the first name, and we're going to actually make it nullable. Alright, so if I save this, just check if it's the same thing as like a table string name. It doesn't have to be unique, it's maybe nullable, but if you run this like this, actually the first name will be added after the timestamps. So if you want to check out how this will be migrated, PHP artisan migrate -- pretend. We're actually going to pretend to migrate. So this gives us the query that will be used. So alter table users, add first name, varchar 255, null. So this is actually going to add the value at the end of the schema. Let's just also add soft deletes like this, capital D. Alright, so if we really want to have the first name directly after the name, we can use the after method. Like this, after name. So add the first name, which is nullable, after name, and soft deletes at the end. So if we run this migration pretend again, I didn't save, I'm sorry. There we go. We have alter table users, add first name varchar, blah blah blah, after name, and add deleted at timestamp annual. So if we're actually going to run this without the pretend, voila, the migration has run. And if we go to phpMyAdmin, this is the old structure that we have. And if I go to structure, the new first name is directly after the name, and deleted at is at the end. So that's how we can actually run a pretend migration to see which queries that will be run. And this is also how we can structure the schema like we prefer. If you want to add a phone number right after the email, you can just write after email and it will be injected right after the email. So that's it for this week. See you in next week, or actually see you next week. Bye bye.